Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to reset control center on iPhone iOS 18. So if your control center is scattered just like mine and I want to reset the control center, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Now, before you can reset your iPhone control center on iOS 18, you must be running on latest iOS 18.1. If you are not a developer, and if you're a developer, you must be running on latest iOS 18.1 beta file, which is about 1.71 gigabyte file. So all you need to do is first, you need to go ahead and check for the latest update on your iPhone. And if the update is available for you, go ahead and install it. So in my own case, I'm a developer, so I got the update. And now I've downloaded and installed the iOS 18.1 beta 5. So if you do not have this update, you either wait until the update is released to the public or join Apple beta. Now, once you've upgraded your iPhone to latest version, and now you want to reset the control center. So this is a scattered control center. Now you want to reset the control center on your iPhone on iOS 18. All you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you need to scroll down until you get to control center and click on it. Now, once you selected control center, there is a new feature called reset control center. So this feature is added to iOS 18.1 beta 5 for developers. And when it is released for the public, it's going to be on the iOS 18.1. So go ahead and click on reset control center. Then if you see what that says, this reset to control center layout to factory default. So to proceed, you need to go ahead and click on reset control center. Then once you click on the reset control center button like this, then you can just exit the settings page, swipe that control center, then you should see your iOS 18 control center reset. Is that? So this is the default iOS 18 control center setup. So if you found this often informative on how you can easily reset iOS 18 control center or reset control center on iPhone running on latest iOS 18, then don't forget to like and subscribe.